Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on the LandCruiser. We have a 2.5 inch or 2 inch, I'm not really sure actually, lift kit for the LandCruiser from Old Man Emu, and we're going to be installing it today. So, hope you guys enjoy. Just gonna do it. Okay, you got it jacked up. I'm gonna go around, pull off all the shock bolts, and once the shocks are out, you'll be able to drop the axle down and get the springs out and put the new stuff in. So we got our new springs installed. These are our new shocks in our bushing kits. So let's see how these go together here. I really like how this fits in the shock tower, so we're going to put this on here, help keep everything centered, and then do our bushings on top of that. So we're going to go washer like that, so that way it holds the bushing in. Then through the shock or through the axle. Okay, onto the back. So that's what it looks like, finger tight. I'm just gonna leave all these nuts loose. I'll torque everything once it's sitting on the ground. And it did come with new bushings for the radius arms, and so we'll install those kind of once everything else is put together, I think. If you guys don't have one of these yet, you need one. It's just a basic scissor jack from a junkyard car with a socket welded on one end. Makes this type of stuff really easy. We're going to reuse this factory isolator. Yeah, that's as far as I can go with this guy. Everything's getting too tight. See if we can't wedge it up in here anyway. So there's always going to be a flat spot in your coil bucket that you need to line up the end of the spring with. So we're just rotating it around. You'll feel it get looser. Double check your upper isolator is still where it needs to be. Then pull this guy out of here. Go to the other side. Okay, let's go get those shocks installed into those brackets. Thank you, Toyota. I appreciate you. So I had a really hard time getting all these bushings out, and I couldn't get the bushing sleeve to pop loose no matter how hard I tried. So what I ended up doing was pushing the internal rubber out with a press and just a piece of DOM tubing, and then that allowed me to get a Sawzall in there cut some relief cuts into the outer metal bushing, and then I could just hammer it out. You'll see after I do this side, I pull it out and you'll see me push the rubber bushing out, cut it with the Sawzall, and I can just hammer it out and push in those new caster correction bushings. So that's me. I just cut it with the Sawzall, and then you just hammer the bushings out, and then put the new bushings in. They have really good instructions on how to do this. You want to make sure the spacing is exact so that when you put the bolts in, they all line up. So there's pushing in the second bushing, and then after that, we're ready to reinstall. Well, there it is, 2.5-inch Old Man Emu lift kit. I didn't do the steering stabilizer. I'll do that later, or never. I don't know. It's got one on there. That's probably fine. Well, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully we're going to go up and do some testing this weekend in the mountains. And feel free to check out our bus videos or our bee videos. We got some other content on this channel as well.